Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we will see how to draw Noli from Forsaken Roblox. For this drawing, I will start by drawing the eyes. Next, we make a curved line for the nose. Now we finish drawing the tip of the nose with a curve to the left. For the mouth, we draw a curved line first at the top and then at the bottom. For the head, we draw a straight line at the top. Now we make a curved line. And now we draw a straight line downwards. And then we also make a curved line. Now we have to draw the other part of the mouth. We just need this last detail at the top. Done. We've finished drawing Milestone from Forsaken, and if you want, you can color it. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Here are some videos you might like. See you in the next drawing.